to our next video. Today we're going to go over body movement for our basic step. We're going to start with just the basic step and work from the ground up. So first, taking our basic, we want to make sure that we're always transferring our weight. Every time we step, we're only stepping on one foot. We start in place on 1. We go forward 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. On 2 and 6, you want to make sure that you are not putting the heel down so that you can glide forward and back a little bit more effortlessly. You want to keep your body in constant motion, so as you take that 3 and that 7, remember that you have 4 and 8 as well in those 2 steps. So you're going to slow down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it should feel like your body is in constant motion. Now, working up from our footwork, our hips. We're going to have our hips go opposite of the leg we step on. So as we step onto our right foot, we're going to start sinking our weight into the right foot as our left hip comes up. When we push out of the right foot, our right hip starts to slide out and we step forward onto our left. As we step onto our left, our hips switch to that left side. So every time you step, you're going to initiate with the opposite leg and hip. So we step 1, we start with our hips to the left, but they end up on the right with our leg. So we end up balanced with our hip underneath our knee and our ankle before we start to transfer our weight forward into our left leg and then settle our hips into that left leg on 2. Because we're going slow here, and I want you to really feel that weight transfer, go ahead and put the heel down if you need. So again, we step 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And you want the hips to glide from side to side so that as you're taking your basic, you don't end up stepping up and down and changing levels. Instead, your body is moving laterally as you take that basic. And give it some time. It takes some time to get comfortable with the hip movement as you take your steps. Again, basic 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that is the basic body movement for the lower half of our body. Let's do it again. I'll face the front so you can see it from another angle. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's take our upper body. So your arms are in neutral position, which we talked a little bit about in our welcome back video last week. I'll link it above in case you missed it. Arms are slightly separate from the body. Palms are facing down. Our fingers are not touching each other, and they're around belly button level. Our hands are around belly button level. So this is our upper body position here. Now our rib cage is going to glide from right to left. Notice that as you start to glide the rib cage across the body, there's a separation between your rib cage and your hips. So your hips are going opposite, in a sense, from your rib cage. If the rib cage feels a little bit stiff or a little uncomfortable, you can practice bringing the arms out. If you look at yourself in a mirror, you'll know that you're gliding the rib cage if your arms are staying parallel to the floor and not starting to go sideways or forward and back. So think about your fingertips touching either side of your room. And then try the same thing. Now you can think of your shoulders touching either side of your room. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's try with the basic. We're going to layer the hips and the rib cage. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And you'll notice that when you do just the standalone rib cage, you can really glide into a really big right and left movement. But when you're taking your basic, you're not really focusing just on isolating the rib cage going right and left. You want to incorporate this lateral movement with your hips. So it'll look a little bit smaller. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, hips and rib cage. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Remembering to stay on the balls of your feet on 2 and 6. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And a little important side note is you're using the floor to generate your hip momentum. So you're not just thinking about isolating the hips going side to side, you're pushing out of the left leg into the right leg. That's what generates the hip motion. You're pushing from the right leg into the left leg, pushing from left to right, right to left, left to right. So you're really using the floor, which is why we started from footwork up, to generate the momentum. Let's add our next layer. So we have using the floor, generating momentum from our hips, and sliding our rib cage from side to side. Now, as we slide the rib cage side to side, we're also going to roll the rib cage back. It's tempting to say roll the shoulders back, but sometimes that translates to this, which is not exactly what we want for our basic. So as you go side to side with the rib cage, start to roll the rib cage back into a figure 8 motion with your rib cage. So if you are looking from above, you would see a figure 8 or infinity symbol above you. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to start to the right first for our basic step. So we go right, left, slow here. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's add that to our basic. 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So remember, most important is our footwork. If you start to over focus on the upper body, it can start to look a little bit wonky with a little bit too much emphasis on the upper body. So keep thinking about the legs pushing into the floor to generate the hip movement, and then secondary is our upper body movement. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, last piece of it is a little bit of an addition of our arms. Our arms are absolutely last because we don't want to just start to move our arms across our body without any other body movement. As you get to that point where you're going to start to roll the rib cage back, you're going to allow the arm to come across the body ever so slightly. So think about creating little half circles across your body. And by across the body, I mean just in front of the belly button. So as we take our basic body movement, let's focus just on the upper body. We're going to go to the right first. 1, arm comes down. 2, and don't worry, I'll do this facing you in a second. 3, 5, 6, 7. So we go to the right first. 1, we start to bring the arm in a half circle. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try our basic. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'll do it facing you as well. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try some music.